Krissi að leggja í fyrstu gönguferð sína með tjaldið og bakpokan allt saman. Bíður þarna eftir strætó.
Like the wind, without giving a notice of their meaning. Thoughts are born and scramble through my head. How can I get rid of the funny feeling? How? Haven't had the sense to care. Haven't had